Alright, we're featuring a 2013 Ford Taurus SEL. It's got 59,000 miles on it. Alright, it's this really pretty Oxford white. Now I'll go ahead and give you the walk around of the vehicle. Gonna make our way down the driver's side. One thing, see right here, just a little scuff right here on the bumper. Okay, a little chip there and a little rub there. Okay, we'll make our way down the driver's side of the vehicle. It looks good. Little paint chip right there. Real minor. Real small. Okay, everything else looks really good. Okay, we'll make our way across the back of the vehicle. Everything looks really good through here. And then a little small paint chip right up under the trunk lid there. Everything else looks really good coming down the passenger side of the vehicle. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Really cool thing Ford offers here is they got the numeric light pad right here that lights up. If you ever want to unlock or lock your vehicle, if you don't have the keys or you lock your keys inside the vehicle, you can enter your code right here. Alright, and it'll unlock or lock your doors for you. Go ahead and check out the door panel. Nice beige door panel. Leather strip here, leather insert. Nice silver metallic insert there. Okay, cloth seats. It's kind of a beige with a gray trim. Okay, you got the beige insert. Right, seats look like they're in good shape. Okay, maybe just a little small stain right here on the seat. Okay, just real minor, nothing major there. It does come with a key fob. Alright. Remote start on that key fob as well. Passenger seat looks like it's in good shape. No problems there. Alright, it is an automatic. It's got your dual climate controls, driver and passenger, CD player. Got your radio there, and we'll turn that on in a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, steering wheel audio controls. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and give you a shot of the mileage. It's got 59,428 miles. Alright, and here's your radio with the car started. Alright, nice screen right there. Alright, everything looks good back here. Cloth's in good shape. Alright, everything looks good back here in the back seat. I got you a power outlet right there. Okay, that's nice and convenient. Give you the layout of the dash and the driver's eye view. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at your trunk space back here. Oh yeah, this thing's wide open back here. Okay, first of all, your carpet's in great shape. Get a shot of that. Okay, and then I'm going to step to the side, kind of let you get a feel for the depth back there. Alright, you see how far back that goes? It can hold 4 suitcases and 3 golf bags back there. Plenty of room. Alright, and then there's that one chip that was up under the trunk line earlier. Okay, real small. You could hardly see it when the trunk's down. Okay, plenty of room back here. Alright, let's go and check out your wheels and tires. Okay, 18-inch alloys on this Taurus. Alright. Brand new set of tires. You can see the depth there. Ton of room there on that tread. Lots of depth. Okay, once again, guys, it's a 2013 Ford Taurus SEL. Alright, it's got 59,000 miles on it. It's been well taken care of. It's in great condition. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.